1772. How to add a link to my TikTok profile. To add a link to your TikTok bio, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page, where you can view all the contents shared by other users. From this page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. Once you are in, go to Links from the options available here. After that, tap on the YouTube section over here to add the link. Tap on Continue from the pop-up. Select an account from this page. Then, choose the account that's connected to YouTube. On this page, hit Continue to give TikTok the access to your Google account. As you can see, the YouTube channel link has been added here. Hit backspace twice. Get back to your profile page. You can now see the link on your TikTok bio. You can tap on the link. TikTok will redirect you to that page. So by following these simple steps, you can easily add a link to your TikTok profile.